Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all for the week of Christmas Eve. So, December 18th through the 24th. I'm sorry I'm posting this so late. This has been filmed a while back, but I was sick with COVID, which I never had before. Oh my gosh, did it wipe me off my feet. Anyway, I'm back. Obviously, my voice is still a little changed, so be kind. Just bear with me if you can. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for spending time with me. So today what we're going to be doing is creating a spread with a book called Holiday Spice. It is from Recollections. It's an older book. I'm starting, as you can see, with Countdown. This is my catch-all planner, which is a classic size vertical layout, and it is called Deep Botanicals. This is second to last week before I have to say goodbye to this planner, but it's all filled, so super happy about that, and then we get to go through it. So super excited. And like I said, this book is a little bit different. It has a lot of spices. It has a lot of very beautiful like oranges and a lot of greenery. So, and a little bit of trees. So I'm going to be using those. There's some words in here like joy and merry and stuff like that that are so beautiful, and I can't help myself but include them in my planner. So I'm simply going to be using this whole book for the spread outside of the boxes. I think that's going to be the best way to go about this. So I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to add those words like I said. I'm just looking because, you know what? I don't know what is wrong with me, but I'm always looking for next best deal when it comes to this. Okay. Anyway, so Christmas tree is down because how can it be Christmas Eve without a Christmas tree? So that is in. There's a smudge on my page and there's nothing I can do, but look at this Mary, right? Like, isn't that gorgeous with the greenery and like the dark, like maroony color? I just love it. And then look at this joy with like the lemons or the oranges. I think it's oranges, right? For Christmas. Okay, it looks like it is oranges. So we have the green, the maroon, and now the yellow or like the honey color. I love these colors. I love how they look. They're not a traditional Christmas color, so it just brings me so much joy seeing this. I'm gonna add these little snowflakes as bullet points, you guys. I think that's gonna be so cute. I was going to cut them, but they're not gonna look as cute when I cut them, especially because they are little snowflakes. So I'm keeping them as it is. I'm just gonna write smaller. That's what it is this week. And again, if you can't see the foil, I am so sorry, but it's Christmas. I need my foil. You guys, I don't know what else to say but that. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add them all over. Depending on the days, I'm just adding them, playing with the colors, placing them accordingly, and then we're gonna fill in the rest. So a few more for the other side. Obviously, as you guys know, this about me, if you've been here already, functionality is my number one goal here. So I'm trying to make this planner functional for myself, but enticing enough where I go in here every day to actually do the tasks that I need to do. I wanted to call it the C word, but you know, I won't. It's Christmas. I'll be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this in. So Sunday. This week is so busy, you guys. And like I said, COVID has me like 6 ways under, I guess, because I was not functional at all for a while. Actually, a double vision, which I didn't know could be a side effect of COVID. So that was quite interesting to me. But the only joy that brought was I thought for a second I had two STs. Oh my gosh, my heart melted. So, can you imagine? Oh my gosh, I will put in my little Christmas buddy in this video. So give me just 1 second and I will go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's my little Toa. He is now 7 months. He's in his Christmas PJs. He is so silly. Okay, back to planning. I know that somebody asked me to give you guys an update, so here it is. But now it's time for boxes, and I'm gonna go with fall boxes, you guys. Don't tell anyone. It's gonna be kind of weird, I think, but maybe not, because I want to bring those like mustardy yellows and those darker like blues and the greens. So I'm gonna kind of go into my fall book and pull some of this like maroon and greens and stuff like that out. I think that might work. I don't know. I never know, you guys. So that's my work schedule, or that was supposed to be my work schedule, and then I got the Rona. Oh, the Rona. But you know, life happens, right? So as you probably know, I am making a voiceover over this. So feeling much better. Thank you so much. And we'll go from there. For right now, I'm just adding multiple boxes and I'm layering them. And yes, I finally noticed that this little sticker is crooked. You guys, I think I need to start wearing like glasses when I planner. Because how am I not seeing this until it's like halfway into the video? Anyway, so that's what it is. And let's see. More boxes, please, because I live on boxes. I don't know if all of you guys do too, but I live and strive on boxes, bullet points, checklists, making lists, and guess what? Half of the stuff doesn't get done. Yeah. If only I could have the magic power of writing things down and that would make them happen. Holy, would I be in a fun world for myself, right? Yes, I would grant some wishes too, I promise. So, yeah. Couple more boxes, I think, or I don't know if I want to fill something on that Thursday because it still has a blank spot, and then that Sunday, I don't know. I kind of do like this very open look too, so maybe just a little bit of greenery somewhere. Maybe not, but I don't know. Maybe let's just add something, huh? Like, look at these quotes. They're cute, but I already have the words. I don't want the quote. No, I don't want the plants because that's going to deter from the words. Like, this is so hard. Maybe I can add like a couple of these little... Ooh, maybe this? Let's see. Can I add this? That filled in that spot pretty nicely. I'll add that right here. That works too. Little mistletoe. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add a couple snowflakes next to my tree and next to other things. These beautiful like gold snowflakes. If you can't see them, again, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to make them appear for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the best picture I can so that on the end you can see everything if you can't see it. And then that is it. I think I'm gonna leave it be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you thought and have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you soon. Bye.